Depression and loneliness are common feelings, but sometimes those feelings can become overwhelming. There are steps you can take on your own to control those feelings, such as correcting dysfunctional thinking, structuring your day, and paying attention to your health. Keep in mind that depression is a very complex illness and you may still need to get outside help to significantly improve. Part 1. Correcting dysfunctional thinking. Dysfunctional thinking is a way of framing the world so that you feel you're always fighting an uphill battle. Some common examples include 1. Polarized thinking, not allowing for any gray areas in life, or thinking in black and white. Filtering or discounting the positives, focusing on the negative of a situation and ignoring any positives. Fortune telling, thinking that you know what will happen in the future. Part 2. Find a journal to write in. Journaling can be a useful tool in order to analyze your own thoughts without outside help. Journaling can help you identify and change the way you think and behave. This practice has also been shown to help decrease stress, too, which can be a byproduct of depression and loneliness. Find whatever works best for you. This can be a notebook, loose-leaf notebook paper, or your computer. Part 3. Monitor your emotions in your journal. Our thoughts greatly influence how we feel and how we interpret and perceive our environments, our futures, and ourselves. People who suffer with depression often have thoughts that they are worthless, unlovable, or undeserving, and they often have thoughts that their environments are overwhelming, have insurmountable obstacles, and that their futures are hopeless. Part 4. Write down your automatic thoughts. Automatic thoughts are the things that pop into your head spontaneously. They tend to pertain to 3 types of ideas: ideas about yourself, about the world, and about the future. After you've identified your emotions about an event where your mood changed, you can start to analyze the automatic thoughts that correspond to the event. Then you can evaluate these thoughts to determine how they are dysfunctional, challenge them by looking for evidence for and against the thought.